everyone, welcome to the English Grammar Lesson 9, Proper Nouns. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, a place or a thing. Examples are given below for each category. Let's check one by one. Nouns used for person can be girl, boy, teacher, and nouns used for things and places can be book, bag, school, garden, cinema, and finally the nouns used for animals and other living things can be dog, bird, tree, flower. Let's see the difference between common noun and proper noun. Common noun is a name given in common to every person, place or thing, like girl, country, cat, book. Proper noun is a name of some particular person, place or thing. Like, without saying girl, we can say Jane. Country, France. Without saying just cat, we can say Tutu. Without saying a book, we can say Harry Potter. If we say the girl is going to a country, the information or the idea is not very clear. But if we say Jane is going to France, where we have used proper nouns, the message is very clear. Now we know exactly who is going and where she is going. The summary is that we use proper nouns to be more specific on what we are going to talk about. The other important fact about proper nouns is that we should always begin them with capital letters. The days of the week and the months of the year are also proper nouns and should begin with capital letters. The examples are given: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, January, February, March. Though we find those words in the middle of a sentence, we should always use capital letters. Thank you for watching and see you from the next video on English Grammar Lesson 10.